Assalamualaikum students, today we are going to do class 1 slot 5 subject English. The syllabus included in slot 5 is workbook textbook section pages 25, workbook grammar section pages 42 to 47, workbook writing section pages 55 and 56. We are firstly going to do workbook textbook section. Page number 23, topic word ladder. Question is, do you remember all the words of your word wall? List any 10 words here. Start at the bottom and climb up to the top, but you must go easy to difficult words. Your top word should be the most difficult. This is page number 23. We have used the word wall words to fill this ladder. We are going to start from the bottom. These are the words ripe, past, clean, bring, dirty, fewer, vegetables, plastic, classmates. So we started from the bottom and ended at the top from easy to difficult words. This was page number 23. Now we are going to start doing our workbook grammar section. Page number 42 and our topic is now. What is now? Now means what is happening at this time. The thing which happens in the present time is now. This is page number 42. Now. Now means what is happening at this time. Now here are some pictures of the cat. What is the cat doing now? She is doing these things in the present time. It is drinking milk. Where is the cat drinking milk? Here it is, so we are going to match it. It is reading a book. Here she is reading a book. It is reading a book. It is sleeping. Here it is sleeping. Running. In this picture the cat is running. It is sitting on a mat. Here the cat is sitting on a map. It is driving its car. Here it is driving its car, and it is standing under a table. Here it is standing under a table. Ask to make different sentences using now. Now I am reading. Now I am eating. We use the word now to make two sentences. This was the detail of page number 42. Page number 43 and our topic is present continuous tense. What is present continuous tense? The present continuous tense is used to describe any action that is presently going on. The action in the present and it's still continuously going on is present continuous tense. Now the structure of the sentence is like this. First, subject is am are, and we use ing with first form of verb. Like he is playing football. He is the subject, is used as it is a singular. Playing, play is the first form of verb, and ing is used with it. Football, subject is am are, not first form of verb ing. Subject, he is not. We made the negative sentence by putting not. Playing football. Next, affirmative sentence. We put the is, am, are in the first place, then the subject, then verb, first form ing. He playing football, and ended with a question mark. Is he playing football? This was the detail of present continuous tense. Now we are going to do the question on page number 43. First question is add ing. Add ing. Camp, camping. Swim, swimming. Travel, traveling. Walk, walking. Get, getting. Write, writing. Cook, cooking. Shop, shopping. Now you can see we have added ing with all the verbs. Now next is write the questions and the short answers using present continuous tense. First is your father work today. So first, is your father working today? End it with a question, as there is a question mark, so we will end it with a question. This is our question, and answer is yes, he is working. Both sentences are in present continuous tense. This is in the question, and this is the positive sentence. Then question number 2, you have a good time on holiday. Now the question will be, are you having a good time on holiday? Yes, I am having good time. Next, question number 3, your mother cook drink dinner now. Is your mother cooking dinner now? Yes, she is cooking. Number 4, your friend plays football. Are your friends playing football? Yes, they are playing. So in this way, by using ing and placing is, am, are in the first place, we made the questions and gave their answers. This was the detail of page number 43. Page number 44, topic is present continuous tense again, and our question is describe the picture using ing from the verb. What are they doing? Now look at the picture. He is swimming, he is reading, he is painting, they are collecting fruits. Now all these sentences are in present continuous tense, as we have added ing with the first form of verb. This was the detail of page number 44. Next is page number 45, and our topic is present continuous tense again. Our question is use present continuous tense to complete the sentences. Our first sentence is my favorite team. Now the verb given to us is win. We are going to add ing to make the sentence into present continuous. My favorite team is winning. Now the helping verb is not do. I am not doing my homework. Helping verb is read. Mother is reading the Holy Quran. Helping verb is not listen. My brother is not listening to the radio. Play. Ali is playing on the computer. Watch. Who is watching TV? Do. Tina is doing grammar exercise. Eat. I am eating a pizza. Sit. We are sitting in the classroom. Now I have used are because we is a collective now a pronoun, so we will use are. Not write. I am not writing an email. Not go. Amna is not going to school today. Not have. We are not having fun today. Not win. My team is not winning the match. Read. Are they? Now there is they more than one person, so we will use are. Are they reading magazines? Yes, they are. Learn. You. We always use are with you. Are you learning English? Yes, I am. This was the detail of page number 45. Page number 46, and our topic is and. Now what is and? And is used to show two or more things. Here's a loin and here's a horse. So we will write loin and horse. This is page number 46. Our question is, there are pairs of words below. Write them together using and. Sofa and chair, bicycle and car, apple and mango, cup and glass. We have used and to join them together. This was the detail of page number 46. Page number 47, and our topic is again using and. Sometimes we use the word and to join the sentences. Like Aslam has a pencil, he has an eraser. Aslam has an pencil, he has an eraser. These are two different sentences. Now to join these sentences together, we will write it like this. Aslam has a pencil and an eraser. We can join these two sentences together with the help of and. Now this is page number 47. Let's do the question. Read the question. Use and to join each pair of sentence. First question is Asad is tall, Asad is strong. These are two sentences. Now let's join them together. Asad is tall and strong. Number 2, study room was clean, study room was tidy. Study room was clean and tidy. I want a bat, I want a ball. I want a bat and ball. Grapes are sour, grapes are juicy. Grapes are sour and juicy. The day was cloudy, the day was cool. The day was cloudy and cool. Doctor checks my temperature, doctor checks my throat. Doctor checks my temperature and throat. Now you can see how we have used the word and to shorten the sentence and join the two sentences together. This was a detail of page number 47. Moving on to workbook writing section. Page number 55, topic creative writing. And our question is, write about your favorite zoo animals here. Now here are some key points given to you, outlines given to you. You are going to use these outlines to write about your favorite zoo animal. What color? Name. How big? What does it eat? Why do you like it? And what sound does it make? So these are some points given to you which you can use to write about your favorite zoo animal. We are going to write about loin. We have selected the animal loin. This is page number 55, and let's read the lines about your favorite zoo animal. My favorite zoo animal is loin. Its color is brown. It is big in size. It is called king of jungle. It likes to eat meat. It roars when it gets angry. It is a wild animal. It lives in cave. I like it very much. These are the lines about my favorite zoo animal and detail of page number 55. Alhamdulillah, our work is done. Allah Hafiz.